Guys, today we are installing an OPT7 light bar to a 2015 Dodge Ram. We chose this one because of the fact that this is an actual sealed light bar. It's not those flimsy ones that you see on eBay. Even though we bought this one on Amazon, we chose this one because of the fact that I personally think it'll do better up against weathering and whatnot. It won't peel off. We're gonna use these brackets to where it'll lock into place. We're not gonna just use double-sided tape. We also got this adapter kit that we're pretty much gonna bypass the factory trailer hitch. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna allow us to avoid wire tapping, because they give you these little blue wire taps. I don't like these things because they always short out. So we're going to use this kit, which allows you to just plug and play everything. The adapter kit is made by Kurt. It's a replacement connector. This was found on Amazon for $79. This was found on Amazon as well for $29. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first we're plugging it in to test it to make sure everything is functioning properly before we go and mount it on the truck, and then it doesn't even work. So I plugged it in. I'm gonna get in the truck and we're gonna test it. You're on. Okay, so now that we tested the light, we're gonna go ahead and install this first. That way when we mount the light, all we have to do is plug it in. This one is going to plug into this one, like so. And this one goes in placement up here, where the original one was. There's very little space because of this big tire. Alright, like so. So that one has a replacement for this one, and this one plugs into that one. And this is for our light bar. I'm gonna kind of eliminate some of the slack, and we'll run it. So it's gonna come up through here. But what we're gonna do, we're going to take the tailgate off. We're going to run a piece of blue tape back on with our light there. We're going to set our light to where we need it to be. We're going to run a piece of, we're going to take a pen and we're going to mark our line. That way we have our line. We're going to use our mounting brackets, and we're going to drill holes where we want our mounting brackets. And peel our tape off, screw the mounting brackets back on, and then we have everything we need. We just clip the light in, and then we'll wire up our reverse light. T25 Torx that is needed to take off the 2 bolts for the tail light. D-board. So we got this spliced. The white and brown wire is the wire for the reverse on the connector. What I did is I just spliced it, and I'm going to run it around like so. And I'll put some electrical tape over it, since I don't have any solder or soldering gun at the moment. Normally the best bet would be to solder it on there, get a nice bead of solder over it so it doesn't ever come off, but at this point we don't have that right now, so we're doing it this route. now is I'm zip tying all the access wires, so that way it doesn't get caught up or stuck on the exhaust, so you don't burn up the wiring. So we're keeping it up and out of the way. This is up over here. This one I zip tied up here, so it's not hanging down. Now everything's up and nice and tight. We're good to go. I'm just gonna cut off this. That's it.